tons of gun parts that are coming into the store, okay, and a lot of these are parts that we can't get. So this is a bolt shroud for a Sako, and it's got some pitting on it and so on and so forth, but structurally this is fine. Okay, so what we'll want to do is we'll put this in the broad bed grinder, okay, and we don't want to break this line here, okay, but we're going to want to sand these. So maybe we can take this into the back and we can put this on the grinder and we can see just how close we can get to this and how fast we can take out this mess of pitting right here. Put that on. We've got 240 grit here. Okay, that should be able to knock this down pretty quickly. If you look at that, it's already cleaning up. Just keep making some passes. You're doing really, really good. We don't want to break this line over here because there's knurling up here. Okay, so we'll just keep going. Almost gone. We're actually doing really good. I'm laying it kind of hard right here. I'm pushing in a little bit. We're pushing a little bit harder over here. Doing good here. I'm pretty happy with this. Alright, so let's take a look here. Let's wipe off some of the metal here. So here, this is a great example. Okay, so this is what it started like. Okay, heavy, heavy pitting. Okay, now look at this. Look at this side. All gone. Couple minutes on the grinder. Okay, so the grinder's amazing. You know, it's just all how we work it, okay, and how it was engineered. You know, normally we would have to take this and hand file this and get everything out on here. And now we're at a level over here where, you know, we can just go with a finer grit after this and we can polish this and it's ready to go. So night and day difference if you look at these from straight on even. Night and day. From that. Look at that. So I feel that the grinder's amazingly successful, and as Broadbeck would say, this is a game changer in the gun industry.